Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For all those who don't know me, I'm Sakshi. I hope you all are doing really great. So a quick update guys, I haven't been posting a lot of videos on my YouTube since 2 weeks. That's because I'm going under some treatments for my skin with my dermatologist. So I'm not allowed to put a lot of makeup on my face or try to experiment with it, but I'm trying to create videos for you all. So I hope you all understand. Today I'm going to talk about my August favorites, that is skincare and makeup. So let's start with the video. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is related to skincare, and I think so that many of you have already tried it out. So it's the Nykaa Clay Cool Mask. I have already spoke about this a lot in my previous video. It's a clay mask, so it's going to detoxify your skin anyways, and this one is an anti-acne clay mask. It gives a really a cooling effect instantly when you apply it on your skin, and I'll show you the texture too. So this is the texture and it smells really good. I have already spoke about this a lot, so you can check my previous video on my weekly skincare routine. I have included this in my skincare since a month or more, I guess 2 months now, and I love this. I totally love this. Yeah, so this is a must buy for everyone who is looking out for a clay mask. I'll be talking about skincare first. This is the Face Shop Herb Day Aloe Cleansing Cream. This is a makeup remover in the crepe formula. So I just thought, why not let's try it out. It smells good. The texture is kind of like this. I've almost used up half of it since I was not doing makeup and stuff for last 2 weeks, I guess. That's why I haven't used this. But this is really gentle on your skin. It is not oily. When you say it's cream based, you generally think that it's going to clog your pores, your skin is going to turn oily, it's gonna stimulate acne on your skin, but it's not like that. I have been using this and I love this. I literally love this. It's affordable when it comes to price, and moreover it is from the Face Shop, so you can trust. Next one, we have this orange peel powder from Alps Goodness. So I have ordered this from purple.com. It's a really good powder guys. Like, I have used this several times to make DIY face masks at home. For glow, it brightens up your skin. You get an instant glow on your face. This is really great. I'll be making another video on this. Next we have is the Pond's Micellar Water. Now I've already emptied this. It's like almost over. I love this micellar water. I usually used to use the Garnier one, but since I was not having it, so I thought, why not, let's give this a try. So this is in brightening, and it says it removes 99% eye makeup, and it does. Whatever it is, maybe your eyeshadow, your mascara or your kajal, it's going to take it off. So I totally love this. Then let's move on to makeup. So you know how important primer is, and I always keep on telling you how important a primer is. I have been using the Sugar Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. You have seen this in almost all videos because I love this primer. I was skeptical which primer should I buy, but I ended up buying this, and it's really good. Like, I have a lot of pores over here on this space and on my chin. I always use it before applying makeup. It literally mattifies the pores and it just blurs out. When your application of your foundation, concealer is so good and so smooth, you just can't even see your pores. It blurs out like 90% of your pores, and I totally love this. Then I've recently purchased this compact from Faces Canada to set my makeup. Firstly, I was using the Maybelline one. I still use it, but I had heard a lot of things about this compact from many beauty bloggers, so I thought, why not give it a try. It comes somewhat like this, and I'm in the shade Natural 02. It definitely sets up your makeup very beautifully, and it has a matte finish, so it's not going to like you're not going to sweat or there's not going to be oil on your face when you set your base, because setting your base is very important. The next one is an eyeshadow brush. I know it's a bit dirty, but it's okay. I have just used it. It's from Wet n Wild. For all those who are looking for affordable brushes to invest in, who are beginners and don't want to really invest in brushes like Sigma, MAC, you can always go for Wet n Wild ones. It was a random purchase for me from Nykaa because I wanted a large blending eyeshadow brush. It is good. The density wise, it is good. I love it. It blends beautifully, and even if you wash it, like I have cleaned this brush 2 or 3 times I guess, and the bristles also don't come off. So I totally love this brush and I'm recommending this to you if you are a beginner and want to invest in good eyeshadow brushes. Next we have the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. So even this was a random purchase for me. This cost for $4.75. It has an applicator like a spatula inside. This is a matte foundation. It is. I have currently applied the same on my face. It blends out really beautifully. It stays for like around 5 to 6 hours, and it does not oxidize. You don't get that oiliness when you apply it on your face. You have so many options in the shade range. I guess it's 32 or 36 options, I'm not sure, but I love this. I'm in the shade warm natural. Really love it. So that's it, you guys. I hope you all like this video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also follow me on my Instagram. See you. Bye bye.